Back in 1992, we started Escape Adventures, and one of our very first trips was Bryce and Zion National Parks. We are a pioneer in that area for mountain bike touring. It's an incredible tour. It takes place at Bryan Head, Utah, and descends all the way down to Hatch, over to Bryce Canyon, in the backcountry around Red Canyon, and then we venture over onto the Navajo Lake Loop, gorgeous trail riding around a scenic lake, and then we descend to Zion National Park. It's an incredible tour, taking in all the greatest scenery in the area of southern Utah. One of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed today's video footage. Thanks for joining us. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video footage as I did filming it. And I hope to have you out on a trip someday. And remember, live your dreams, don't dream your life. Thanks for joining us.